Hello student. Now in the next topic of matrix is addition or differences of two matrices. Okay. Now I will start from here. Addition and difference of two matrices. If we have a matrix of the same order, then we can add the matrix or subtract the matrix. Okay, I will explain here by example. I will write here a equal to 1, 2, minus 5, minus 2, 3, 4, and b equal to, in the same order, 2, 5, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, 3. See here, order of matrix A. Here we have 2 rows and 3 vertical lines, means 3 columns, and same is here 2 into 3. If we want to find the addition, means A plus B, then I will write matrix in the addition form, minus 5, 4, plus 2 minus 2, 5 minus 4, minus 2, 3. When we will add, then add the corresponding elements. Okay, then 1 plus 2 we get here 3, 2 plus 5 we get 7, minus 5 minus 2 minus 7, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 4 plus 3, 7. Same in this way, if we will subtract the matrices, then 1, 2, minus 5, minus 2, 3, 4, minus 2, 5, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, 3. Then when we will subtract, change the sign of the second matrices element, then 1 minus 2. This one is 2 minus 5. Minus 5, minus minus, this is plus 2. Minus 2, this is plus 2 now. 3, change this sign, we get plus 4. And last is 4 minus 3. It means we get here minus 1, minus 3, minus 3, 0, 7, 1. Clear? Now next is multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Scalar means any real number. Any number when we multiply with the matrix, then I will take with example, if you want to find 2a, then this 2 and 1, 2, minus 5, minus 2, 3, 4. Then all the elements of the matrix by multiplying with 2, then we get 2, 1, 2, 4. This is minus 10, minus 4, 6 and 8. Okay, same in this way, if we want to find 3a minus 5b, then 3, first matrix, 1, 2, minus 5, minus 2, 3, 4, minus 5 and b. b is here 2, 5, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, 3. Now multiply. This multiply with 3, 3 and minus 10. Now 3 into 2, 6. 5 into 5, 25. 3 into minus 5, minus 15. Change this sign, we get plus 10. This is minus 6 and this multiply, we get plus 10. 9. Change this sign, we get plus 20. And 3 into 4, 12, minus 15. After simplification, we get 3 minus 10, we get minus 7, minus 19, minus 5, minus 6 plus 10, 4, 29, 12 minus 15, minus 3. Clear? This is here when matrix is multiplied with a scalar or addition or difference of two matrices. Okay, now note it. Now next we will do practice of addition or differences of two matrices. Now say here ABC three matrices are given here. We want to find these values, and first in the solution I will find here A plus B. Then A plus B means first matrix 2 3 4 2 plus B 1 minus 2 3 5. Add these two matrix, add by the numbers, corresponding numbers. 2 plus 1 we get first number is 3, 4 plus 3 we get 7, 3 minus 2 1, 2 plus 5 we get 7. And next is 3A minus C equal to 3. A value is 2 3 4 2 minus C. C is here minus 2 5 3 4. ओके, अब करना क्या है, 3 को सभी से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और यहाँ से माइनस करना है आपने. तो क्या आएगा देखो, 3 2 6, यहाँ साइन चेंज हो जाएगा +2, 3 4 12, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा -5, 3 3 9, -3, 6 -4. It means we get here 8, 12 minus 5 7, 9 minus 3 6, 6 minus 4 we get 2. Clear? Okay. Now compute the following, means we will want to add here. When we will add here, we get first term A11 add with A11, then plus 2AB, B square plus C square plus 2BC, A square plus C square minus 2AC, A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, now see here we have the formula here. We get A plus B whole square, B plus C whole square, A minus C whole square, A minus B whole square. Okay, clear है ये? अब देखो इनको करते हैं. When we will add, then add first terms, we get cos square x plus sin square x, sin square x plus cos square x. Here we get sin square x plus cos square x, and last is cos square x plus sin square x. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, then all elements are come 1. Clear? Now you can note. Now in the next question, now see, we want to find these values. 3 matrices are given. First I will find A plus B. A plus B means 1 5 1. I will write here column wise, 2 0 minus 1 minus 3 2 1, and plus B. B is here 3 4 2 minus 1 2 0 2 5 3. Now add corresponding elements. We get 1 plus 3 we get 4, 2 minus 1 we get 1, minus 3 plus 2 we get minus 1, 5 plus 4 we get 9, 0 plus 2 we get 2, 2 plus 5 we get 7, 1 plus 2 we get 3, minus 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 3 we get 4. Same B minus C. When we will find B minus C, then B matrix is here 3 4 2 minus 1 2 0 and 2 5 3 minus C 4 0 1 1 3 minus 2 2 2 3. I will simplify here. 3 minus 4 we get here minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 we get minus 2, 2 minus 2 we get 0, 4 minus 0 we get 4, 2 minus 3 we get minus 1, 5 minus 2 we get 3, 2 minus 1 we get 1, 0 minus minus plus 2, then we get 2, 3 minus 3 we get 0. Clear? Now I will prove here. Now LHS equal to RHS. For proving this, first I will take here LHS. LHS here A plus B minus C. Then A is here 1 5 1 2 0 minus 1 minus 3 2 1, and B minus C is here. B minus C this one is minus 1 4 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 0 3 0. Now add these two, we get 1 minus 1, this we can get 0, 2 minus 2 we get 0, minus 3 plus 0 we get minus 3, 5 plus 4 9, 0 minus 1 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 plus 2 1 plus 0 we get 1. Now I will find RHS. RHS is equal to A plus B minus C. Okay, now A plus B is here, 4 1 minus 1 9 2 7 3 minus 1 4 minus C. C is here, 4 0 1 1 3 minus 2 2 2 3. Now simplify. After simplify we get 4 minus 4 0, 1 minus 1 we get 0, minus 1 minus 2 we get minus 3, 9 minus 0 9, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 7 minus 2 5, 3 minus 1 2, minus 1 plus 2 1, 4 minus 3 1. It means LHS equal to RHS. दोनों सेम आ रहे हैं, मीन्स वेरीफाइड. क्लियर. नाउ से इन द नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन हियर, A मैट्रिक्स इज गिवन, B मैट्रिक्स इज गिवन, वी वांट टू कंप्यूट हियर 3A minus 5B. तो इस बार फ्रैक्शन में आ गया क्वेश्चन, प्रोसीजर वही है, 3A minus 5B मीन्स 3. आई विल राइट हियर फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स 2/3 1 5/3 1/3 2/3 4/3 7/3 2 2/3 minus 5B. B is here 2/5 3/5 1 1/5 2/5 4/5 7/5 6/5 2/5. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई. इसको 3 को कंप्लीट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 5 से करना है और उनका डिफरेंस निकालना है. 3 3 से किया तो आ जाएगा 2 और यहाँ से आ जाएगा -2. 3 को 3 से किया आ जाएगा 3, 5 से 5 कैंसिल हो जाएगा -3. नाउ 5 minus 5. सेम इन दिस वे 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 एंड दिस बिकम 4 minus 4. 3 से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा 7 और 5 से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा 6 minus 6 एंड वी गेट लास्ट 2 minus 2. आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन वी हैव 0 0 0. This type of matrix is called null matrix or zero matrix. Now say in the next, we want to simplify here cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta. We get sin theta cos theta minus cos theta sin theta. ओके इसको कंप्लीट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और फिर इनको ऐड भी करना है. तो क्या हो जाएगा, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट फर्स्ट में ऐड हो जाएगा कोस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. ये आ जाएगा कोस थीटा साइन थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा कोस थीटा. नेक्स्ट इज माइनस साइन थीटा कोस थीटा प्लस साइन थीटा कोस थीटा. इन दोनों को करेंगे तो आ जाएगा कोस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. ओके ये मल्टीप्लाई किया, दोनों को ऐड कर दिया. फॉर्मूला होता है कोस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा 1. सेम में से सेम सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है 0, यहाँ भी 0 और ये 1. इट मीन्स दिस बिकम आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. क्लियर. नाउ नोट इट. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन, see here 2 equations are given in the matrix form x plus y x minus y. Then find x and y here. X and y come in the matrix form. Okay, in the solution I will write first 2 equations. X plus y equal to 7 2 0 5. This is equation number first, and second is x minus y is equal to 3 0 0 3. This is equation number 2. Okay, we will simplify as we have done in the class 9th and 10th. I will add these two equation first plus equation second. Then see here, y and y cancel out. Then we get 2x is equal to 7205 plus 3003. Okay, now add these two, we get 7 plus 3, we get 10, 0, 2, 8. It means this is 2x. Then x equal to means divided by 2. 2 divide with all the elements, then we get 5, 0, 1 and 4. Okay, now after that I will fill the value of x in any equation. First and second I will fill in the first equation. From first, value of x is 5, 1, 0, 4 plus y 7, 0, 2, 5. After that y is equal to 7, 2, 0, 5. This matrix come in the RHS with minus sign. ओके ये तो हमने किया ही हुआ है कि माइनस कैसे करते हैं. 7 minus 5 2, 0 minus 0 2 minus 1 and 1. Clear? Now same we will do the second part here. In the solution we have the two matrices are given. First is 2x plus 3y. We get 2, 4, 3, 0. This is the first equation. And 3x plus 2y. Okay. This is 2 minus 1 minus 2, 5. This one is the second equation. I want to simplify here. Simplify कैसे करेंगे? इनके coefficients equate करेंगे. Means y equate कर लो या x. I will equate the coefficient of y here. We will do equation first multiply with this number 2. Equation second multiply with this number 3. And I will subtract the equation because we get here 6 and here 6, but sign both are in the same. When we will have the same sign, then we will subtract the equation. Okay, now multiply with 2, we get 4x plus 6y, and multiply with 2, we get 4, 6, 8, 0. And this multiply with 3, we get 9x plus 6y. 3 से करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 6 minus 6 minus 3, 15. When we will difference the equation, subtract the change the sign of second line. 6y and 6y cancel out. 4x minus 9x. We get 5x equal. We will subtract these two matrices 4, 8, 6, 0 minus 6 minus 3 minus 6 and 15. Then minus 5x equal 4 minus 6 we get minus 2, 6 plus 6 we get 12, 8 plus 3 we get 11, and 0 minus 15 minus 15. Then divide by minus 5, we get 2 upon 5 with positive sign, minus 12 upon 5, minus 11 upon 5, and this come in the positive sign. 15 divided by 5, we get 3. Now value of x I will fill in the equation first. We get from first, we get 3y equal to 2430 minus 2. 2 upon 5 minus 12 upon 5 minus 11 upon 5 and 3. Now 3y is equal to, we get 2 minus 4 upon 5, 3 plus 24 upon 5, 4 plus 22 upon 5 and 0 minus 6. Now 3y equal to, we get 10 minus 4, 6 upon 5, 15, 39 upon 5, 42 upon 5 and minus 6. Clear? Then y is equal to, divide by 3 we get 2 upon 5, 13 upon 5, 14 upon 5 and minus 2. Clear? Now you can note. Now the next, same in the previous time, but in this time value of y is given. We want to find directly x here. Then y is equal to here 3, 1, 2, 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 1 minus 3, 0, 2. We want to find here x, then 2x equal to 1 minus 3 0 2 minus y. I will fill the value of y here, then y is here 3 2 1 4. Now minus, this become 2x equal to 1 minus 3 we get minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2. We want to find the value of x, then this all the elements of the matrix is divided by 2, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Clear? Now you can note. Next type of practice question, we want to find the value of the variable. To find the value of the variable, first we will change into the single matrix if in the come in the LHS or in the RHS. See here in the LHS two matrices are here. Our first work is here, we will change into single matrix, after then equate the matrix. Same in this way, we have the two matrices are here. Okay, then first I will write the complete equation which is given here, 2103x plus y102 equal to 5168. Now change into the single matrix, we get 2 plus y, 6 plus 0, 0 plus 1 1, and next is 2x plus 2, and RHS is same 5 6 1 8. Now check here, these two corresponding elements are same, this must be same here. Then 2 plus y equal to 5, and second is 2x plus 2 equal to 8. After simplification we get 5 minus 2 3, this is 2x equal to 8 minus 2 we get 6, and x equal to 6 by 2 we get 3. Same in this way, I will change first LHS into single matrix. For this, first I will write complete equation here, x y z t plus 3 1 0 minus 1 2 is equal to 3 3 4 5 6. Now simplify this, multiply 2x plus 3, change into single matrix, 2z minus 3, 2y plus 0, 2t plus 6, 9 15 12 18. Okay, now I will equate the corresponding terms here. Then we get 2x plus 3 equal to 9, 2z minus 3 equal to 15, and 2y equal to 12, and last is 2t plus 6 equal to 18. Now 3 come in the RHS, 9 minus 3 we get 6, then x equal to 6 upon 2 we get 3. 3 come in the RHS, then minus 3 come into plus 3, 15 plus 3 18, 18 upon 2 we get 9. 2y equal to 12, then y equal to 12 upon 2 we get 6, and 2t 18 minus 6 we get 12, and t equal to we get 6. Clear? Now you can note. Now in the next, see here, matrices are given, we want to find the value of a variable. Then x 2 3 plus y minus 1 1 and 10 5. Our first work is left hand side change into the single matrix. Then we get 2x minus y, 3x plus y equal to 10, and this one is 5. Now equate the corresponding elements. Then we get here 2x minus y equal to 10, 3x plus y equal to 5. This is equation first and second. I will solve these two equations. These coefficients are equal, opposite in sign. We will add both the equation. We get 5x equal to 15, x equal to 15 upon 5 we get 3. Then fill the value of x in any equation. I will use first here 2x minus y equal to 10 minus y equal to 10 minus 6 minus y equal to 4, we get y equal to minus 4. Now in the next question, again RHS given with two matrices here. First work is change into the single matrix. I will first write complete equation here, x z y w, x minus 1 6 2w plus 4z plus w x plus y 3. Now these 3 multiply inside, we get 3x 3y 3z 3w, and this one is x plus 4 6 plus x plus y minus 1 plus z plus w 2w plus 3. Now equate the corresponding elements, then we get here 3x equal to x plus 4, second element is 3y equal to 6 plus x plus y, third one is 3z equal to minus 1 plus z plus w, and fourth one is 3w equal to 2w plus 3. This x come in the LHS, then we get 2x equal to 4, x equal to 4 upon 2, we get 2. Now this y come in the LHS, then we get 2y equal to 3y minus y, 6 plus x, x value is here 2, 6 plus 2 8, y equal to 8 upon 2, then y equal to we get 4. Here z and w, two variables are given. First I will simplify this. 3w minus 2w equal to 3, then w equal to 3. Okay, this z come in the LHS, we get 3z minus z minus 1 plus w, this become 2z minus 1 plus 3, 2z equal to minus 1 plus 3 2, it means z equal to 2 upon 2, we get 1. Clear? Now you can note.